Hello everyone, let's dive into the M08F A4 portable printer. This compact device aims to bring printing convenience to your on-the-go lifestyle. First impressions are positive. The printer is surprisingly lightweight, at just 1.6 pounds. It feels sturdy enough to withstand being tossed into a bag without worry. Its compact size is a major selling point. It's genuinely portable and won't hog space whether you're working from a coffee shop, a car, or a small home office. The M08F utilizes thermal printing technology, which means no ink cartridges to buy or replace. This is a huge plus for both convenience and cost savings. The elimination of ink also means no messy leaks or printhead cleaning. Connectivity is straightforward. It connects wirelessly via Bluetooth to both iOS and Android smartphones, as well as laptops and computers. The process involves downloading an app for smartphone use or installing a driver for laptop connectivity. The Bluetooth connection is stable and quick to pair. In terms of print quality, the M08F is a monochrome printer, so it only prints in black and white. It is suitable for documents, shipping labels, tattoo stencils, design drawings, and exam papers. It is not designed for high-resolution photo printing. The print quality is clear and legible, making it perfectly adequate for its intended purposes. The M08F is a practical solution for anyone needing a portable printing option. Its lightweight design, inkless technology, and wireless connectivity make it a convenient tool for travel, business trips, or simply decluttering a workspace.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.